Okay, so we should be good, and as you can see, it's going to be a little bit annoying to handle since I have only one screen right now and an amazing front view this time. So enjoy this terrible view. And I will have no feedback for most of the streams, so this is going to be special. I think I can manage to have the chat around this corner. If I do that. What happened? I had to move, not to move like in a long sense. I had to travel to another region of France to take care of some administrative things. So yeah. Yeah, that's the thing that shows on my phone right now. Oh, and there's a new version, it seems. Oh, is it beta 4? Probably 4. Oh, and it's still. Wait, is that really logged? Yeah, I don't know. Anyway. I studying Godot, but in fact, it's not really what I need to do right now. So, what's up, guys? How are you doing? Let's see on better one. And Trasher, I think that's the first time I see you. Welcome. Nice to see you, pal. Is that a goat? Yes, it is goat. Oh, yes, it is. So anyway, let's call this. Just make sure. All right. Now. Oh, and I have no mouse. That's brilliant as well. Merge. I have no mouse, and my laptop is missing one of its keys, which is the I key, so that's also super fun. Only bug fixes, mostly. A hedge touchpad, yeah, well. I'm cursed for a few days. So I need to push this to run. And I'm gonna rebase. Yes, sir. Okay, rebased. Great Blacksmith. Oh, actually, I do have the feedback on my phone. So anyway, do we open tasks? I think I have something open. I'm thinking community plugin. Yeah. I'm gonna get Kanban. Oh, it is installed. Okay, never mind. Create a new board. Okay. What about opening this in a new window? Okay. So, what do we start with? Waiting for the alpha anyway, you are. Alright. Tasks, we could be starting with the level, I think. Because we'll have two things. Sword update. We'll have the sword update. That's for sure. What could it be? gameplay sort of. Yeah, I don't know. That's a terrible tag. I'm not gonna put tags. It's gonna be simpler. Add a sweat update and level. Yeah, we have the level and we have to make a header as well. Okay, let's see. Can you fit at the bottom? That's not that good. What if I do it like this? We create a new list. It's just going to be down list. It's going to be important for later. But until then, go away. You go there. Something like this. Let's go with that. Suddenly we have a lot of tasks to do. Sort of. Okay, so maybe we can start with the sword thing. Probably have sword.jd. Alright. Oh, what's happening here? Okay, that's happening. So I have the typed level name texture. Drop weight. Drop weight. We're gonna have weight. So I don't remember exactly what you said. I'm gonna say integer at the moment, but this could be like a float. I think integer is going to be easier to handle. Oh, it is too big. What is this drop weight thing? I think it's probably unused now. I don't know. Oh no, that's the level, is it? Yeah, that's the level. Yeah, and drop weight is 532. Okay. Isn't it random? Yes, it is for random, but I was just wondering how 1, 2, 3 would make sense, but yeah, it doesn't. So for the weight, I don't know, maybe we can go with 5 at the moment. So yeah, there's not much. They will all have the they will all have the same weight. But yeah, basically now that we have done the hot dates, we can go check this one. Actually, I mean, the Kanban's nice, but not really in that. It is too small. It is too small. I'm just gonna create a new note. So I need to update the sword to calculate its weight. Update sword to add attack speed. Right. We need to calculate it on swordcraft to sum up, of course. That's the place, indeed. Ugh. It's this one. Okay, so we're gonna have faculty weight. And here we do need a new attribute. Um, yeah, in fact, I will be right back very quickly. Okay, let's hope it's better now. About the attack speed, don't really know what will be the best approach. The one from League of Legends is good. Oh, cool, I don't have the full chats because of this thing part. Yeah, attack per second is okay, I think. Well, the way you displayed it in the chat was like more time per attack than attack per second. But that's good too. That's actually easier to handle. So wait a second, we have the weight and we just need to calculate it. Okay, calculate. So where is 0? Do we have pots? How are the pots? Okay, we're gonna go with git. Play pots. We have the blade. Probably the pommel. Wait, pommel pots? Hmm. Oh, okay, maybe because that's just the key. Yeah, so this should be the full weight of the sword. Maybe we can make a print to say to have a kind of debug here. So sword has, well, technically we will always have the same weight. So the weight of word weight. All right. What if we calculate attack speed then? Okay, so we definitely need a new property. Okay. So I guess that will have variable. I'm gonna use count. So it's gonna be an integer of weight divided by 5. And then we multiply this by, I don't know. Let's make it simple before we create a weight classes. That's something we could do in the future. Is that method flexible for adding more variables in calculation? Yes, probably. So at the moment, yeah, let's just have only one weight class. Okay, so we have the attack speed and the weight. We need to calculate weight first. Okay. I'm gonna go with, let's change parts weight to be, yeah, I'm gonna change part weights just to have like more random things. Oh, actually, we're gonna have to go with 5, 8, 3. Okay. Maybe 6. So we should have different results based on that. Okay, we're gonna try that. Writers Woodcraft. Debugger 1, integer division, yes. How can I? Maybe just by ignoring that. The weight is 4? No. Probably not. There's no way. Why is... How is that even possible? Oh wait, we are crafting the same sword after all. No, we're not. No, the thing is that the sword weight cannot be 4. Oh, here it's 1. Oh, I know why. Yeah, it's not gonna be 4 anymore. Yes, basically it works. But then, I mean, it's just a question of tweaking the numbers now. Okay. Design a level system. Add heavy, medium, light. Okay, so let's see. So we're gonna go with a balance of the sword. Let's wait for that and create add weight class the sword. And update the add XP calculation method. Okay, we're gonna. I have an idea for the balance. It wasn't a backlog. Yes, it is, but the sword parts numbers must be according to that. I'm gonna go with 25, 10, 5. Okay, so we have a new balance. Now we want to add a weight class to this. So we'll have 100 and here we have 40. And here we have 20. So we technically will almost never have the light class. The light class is going to be very hard to get. Let's see. We kinda need a weight class. So do we have a medium somewhere? Not really. The blade type. The blade type can be a little bit more complicated to do than this. No, it wouldn't take 5 seconds. So we have basically light, heavy. What am I looking for? Weight? Yes, weight. Weight here. Okay. But, wait a second, we need to store that somewhere. Light, medium, heavy. Attack speed, damage, weight. Export, variable, weight, class. Oops. Well, we'll see about that. Yeah, we can go with something like if weight is under 25. Weight class is going to be equal to light. Else weight. So maybe we said like 20, 40. So that could be 50. Yeah, it's gonna be weight class heavy. Can we make blade types with enums as well? Yes, the problem is not really adding an enum in and of itself. The problem is having the blade part being a different type than the other parts. So there is a quick way to handle this, which is having all parts having a slash thrust property, but then only caring about this property on blade. That would avoid creating an entire new class and have to remake everything. Not even necessarily redo everything, because since the blade part will be a sword part anyway, it will still function for the other things. I'm gonna make factor as a float. And I'm gonna match the weight class. You say 0.02, I think? That seems very fast. I'm gonna go with this one. I don't know, that's balance that can be done anytime, anyway. Because even like just having a slight increase here, this is gonna have big differences. Even this, yeah, that's gonna be big. Like I said, this should be fine. Add weight class and update the attack speed method. This should be fine. But we can try this. We can test. Yeah, we need something different. But anyway, let's go with it. We need to create a method that will return the blade class. Secret. This way we can have an easy way to create labels. So I'm gonna go with getting this. Now, interesting. Why is that a problem? Oh, factory equation. Yes, it is a problem. Indeed it is. Let's have a an underscore here. Just to make sure that we don't get any problem. So anyway, get weight class. Alright. Okay, so we can test this now. It's heavy. Heavy. Let's buy the upgrade 3. Oh, and let's mine actually. Oh yes, we have to update that as well. Those buttons are as they are. Okay, so let's craft something. Heavy. Heavy. Maybe 50 is too high for medium. Now we could use... No, we have a medium. There it is. Oh, 0.3 attack speed? Like, that's very fast. What do you think about icons? It just looks like it's too close. But otherwise, I think it's fine. Oh no. We are out of resources. Check what's wrong with shader? What shader? For icons. You do know that I have basically zero knowledge with shaders, right? It's not about shader itself. Why is navigation not a scene? Okay. Okay, am I going to... No, it's just going to be in front of this. What if I put it here? Yeah, there's a kind of huge latency, I think. Yeah, there's a huge latency. Because of the Wi-Fi stream. By the way, I hope it's going well. It's about changing property value by code. Oh, I can see that you did pass here. There's not even text. There's not even a shader thing in there. What do you mean? Oh, here. What? Okay. Ah. So yeah, get material that's the shader. I don't know. But there's no material in there, is it? Is there? Yeah, there's material. Now it is already 1.0, that's the thing, isn't it? Fold. It goes to 0. Does the shader even do something? How can I zoom? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. So... And this line doesn't work, basically, that's what you say. Yeah, as I said, I have basically zero knowledge about shader. Set shader parameter. Does your method even exist? Probably here. Actually, the material. Set shadow parameter. I'm just... Yeah, so that's the thing already, right? This... You have to take care of it. Yeah, that's probably the problem. They are all linked, so you basically change them all at once. I'm gonna remove that. And to this get material is I don't know. I don't know. We'll try this one. But I'm ready. We'll do something as material is equal to load. This. Duplicate. And I think we do want that. Oh, it is texture. So yeah, here you're gonna create a typing problem if you do that. It's not gonna create a bug, but there's probably gonna be a warning. Or maybe not. Oh no, there's no warning. Okay. Let's see. I don't know if it works to put it like this or if we can. We need to use like set material, which is possible. Oh wait, what? What happened? Yeah, so it works this way. Okay, that's a cool thing to know. Okay, why is it bugging? Like I'm clicking on every sword. Oh, that's why. That's because there's the scroll. You could then. We have to be super quick. What's happening to you? You seem tensed. Okay, so testing is done. Fixing shader. Navigation. Bottom shader. So that's done. Add image type property to blades. So image type. Not really about damage. Well, it's about what? How is that even gonna make any sense? in the game? Like, is it going to... I mean, it's going to be used to calculate damages. It's going to be used to make builds for thrust and slashing blows. Yes, but then what are going to be the benefits of building it to that? I mean, even if it's just like for the sake of crafting and buffing the crafts around this kind of swords, which is going to be complicated because that's decided by deciding the sword part. Yes, then that's the damage target. Slashing is more damage, thrusting is more crit. I mean, anyway, like, you can name this on the label however you want. Like, if you want to make this sword type on the label, that's fine. But it doesn't matter what it's named in the code. But if you... I don't know, I mean, it's weird. We do need to get the blade pop thing. What about weight, variable, type? Okay, why? What's the problem? Oh, this is a type. Okay, so we need to add something to the constructor. The constructor is so huge, that's very scary. So we're gonna do the sword type. We're just gonna add this to blades. Okay, so it's gonna be slash thrust and hybrid. No, it's not the end. I kinda knew that unconsciously. Hmm. So I don't know. It could be anywhere. It doesn't. Sword dot sword. That's sword type. Oh, I didn't do this method, maybe. Yeah, I think I didn't do that method. So let's get the type. There's thrust time slash. One. Okay. So from there, that should actually be good. Okay, let's try a type. Hybrid. That's the tier 3 sword. I'm wondering if this we can change. I don't know. Because with the touchpad, for example, I can't click it. Maybe that's a touchpad thing. I don't know. Okay, no, they are all hybrid. So that's not good. Oh, wait. There it is. Sword type is sword, get blade, sword type. What's wrong? What is wrong with that? Oh, this reminds me. We can see stats. Wow. Sword type hybrid. Oh, is that because again? I did not. Yes, almost. This is so expensive for testing. Yes, there we go. That's tier 2. Okay. So technically, what time is it? Okay. Technically, we can go for the level. So we need to make a header and an experience singleton, basically. Let's try craft again. So that's the slash sword, the terrible one. That's the thrust, and I guess that the hybrid sword is, blade is this one. That's the tier 3. Probably. I can actually check that. Yes, it's the one. So let's save this. Yes, I'm on my branch correctly. Package. So that's the sword update, basically. Okay, so let's just create a new singleton. Experience. Let's see. Scenes, singletons. Wow, that's a lot of singletons. Okay, so we have, wait. It's becoming complicating programming in two languages at once, but I will get used to it eventually. What is wrong here? Cannot use self and static function? Oh, yes. Okay. Let's create data experience. Well, let's have it to 0 at first. Yeah. So experience. Okay. What about creating experience? Function create. No, that's not create. So we have quantity. So if quantity is inferior or equal to 0, that's an error. Okay, let's create a signal. That's gonna be experience created. Experience created. It's gonna be emitted with equality. Okay, so we have the very basic here. Maybe we can calculate the level right now. So we do return I was thinking using a cubic root, but the problem with using a cubic root is that the early levels are very, very fast. So maybe there's a way to do that differently. Can we do that differently? Like for the first levels. Now, what if we go with 5, 10? Yes, okay, so Mm. Let me see something. Where can I see the level multiplied by 5 is the first, could be like the first way to calculate experience. Oh, well, I have another idea. Well, maybe not. Let me see. It's actually simple. 1 is 5. Multiplied by something inferior to the cubic root. That's the question. Well, let's use cubic root at the moment and just... so that's power... So the base is game experience. 1 divided by 3. Okay, so that's not an integer, so maybe we can have access to the math. Okay, that's floor. I think it's floor. Yep. So we're gonna floor that thing. Okay, so that's the level. And honestly, I think that we could be like emitting the level when we do create experiments. That wouldn't be like super crazy. Maybe we want actually to check when there's like a level up. So we can create in data a last known level. Yeah, we have like 1 and that's gonna be a variable of it. Level up. Yeah. So we're gonna have the new level and the previous level maybe. I'm anticipating what we could be needing. Let's see. Would have like leveled up. Level up. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Level up is gonna be fun. Okay, so get the level here, and then game ref. Level. There we go. Now it's a question of creating a header, actually. Navigation header. Seems okay. Texture rectangle. Oh, well, not really texture, actually. It's the level. We'll make it large. Yeah, not enough. Not enough, but that will do for the moment. Let's add a vertical box. Control node with experience bar. Seems fair. Let's actually expand it and have another control. Parentheses. Oh, I was muted? I hope I wasn't muted for too long. Maybe. Like, basically just rambling about what I'm doing. Ah. So this header should have scripts. I think I need the get experience thing. Oh, actually, I do need a lot of things. Make level label smaller. Then you will be able to change this thing. We need this space for profile. Yeah, you will adjust that. But with two return names. The experience and maybe get experience for next level. So next level is get level +1. Experience integer. Next level. Oh, 3. So this should be an integer basically. Let's use seeding. I don't know, it's an integer. Just cast it as an integer, sure. Okay, so this should be enough methods for the header. I hope so. All right, we need some unique things. Progress bar and level. I mean, what we can do eventually. What we can do is to get the level label right there. Okay, wait a second. This. No theme override. It's gonna be kind of small. We're gonna have the level like this, I guess. Or we could not have the currency expand. and have slightly bigger. So it can be slightly bigger. That would be like it. Okay, let's code this. Level label. Oh, wait a second. I think we can do. I gotta try that. Control, grab, and doesn't work. Come on, you can do it. Yeah. It actually works. Oh no. Well. Function ready. On experience created. So we're good? Yes, we're good. That's pretty much all we have, actually. Well, we can use on level up, but not use that. Experience creating, we can connect this. Oh, I said I wanted to stop doing that. Oh, I'm gonna connect the other one. No, that's bad. Unlevel. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. We're gonna have updates. Hmm. In fact, I'm realizing that I'm not using the arguments of my signals. Yeah, but that's maybe important for some as opposed to games like statistics, achievements, and stuff. And maybe not. I don't know. Oh, it is something weird. Okay. That's alright. I will fix that later, but that's fine. Experience, ref, get experience. Progress bar, max value. This should be fine. It's not animated, it's nothing, but updates. Yeah, there's a lot of update ground for this. Let's just make it work first. So we need to find a way to calculate experience for this. Something in the line of experience. Oh, okay, let's do that differently. Let's go within experience and create a function. Oh wait, we have create experience? Yeah. Calculate sword experience. Okay. Maybe get sword experience. This way we can just have this word fine. This experience with get sword experience. So yeah, my thought was to calculate this based on the value or the forge rate or the damage, which is kind of all linked. The forge rate could be good. Maybe the value is closer to the amount of written int damage. Oh, the value is damage? That's peculiar. Yeah, maybe you can just see the minimum forge rate we get. 25, we get 100. 100 to 200. So let's divide it by 100. We create sword.forge rate divided by 100, and we're gonna go with the round. I don't mind. Randomize it a little bit? I don't think so. It's already randomized enough based on the forge rate. It's gonna be random. Like each sword is gonna have its own experience value already. We can try something. Okay, let's see. What if I create a center container here? And I name it feedback so that when we create this, we update, okay, but we create a feedback. Well, actually, we might add experience value as a separate property to have more control on it. Well, if you have like a way to calculate experience, we'll see, but at the moment, I don't think we need that. Wait, feedback. I mean, it's gonna be discarded anyway, so. The only reason I would see a experience property being useful is if you calculate the experience gain based on a lot of different things, which are, I want to say, processed during the craft, and even that can be done afterward by reading the things. Okay, so it's saying, I don't know, it's something like experience value on every part, sum it up, give this amount. Yes, but there's no, I mean, doesn't require you to store it, for instance. I actually did this thing, right, where you create this, I mean, this method right there is here specifically to calculate experience based on no matter what. All you have to do is just put this word and it will calculate it. And as long as we get that updated, that's going to be fine. Why is that updated, by the way? Okay. Okay, it's feedback label. Let's bring this guy. You come here. Feedback. So we're gonna add the experience as an integer. Oh, really? Like 2 characters. In case we will have some really rare plots that don't have that much alpha difference between them to give more experience. Yeah, anyway, that's exactly the same. Like, it actually makes a little bit more sense. It's gonna be saved in the pod anyway, and the pod is part of the sword. Like, we don't discard anything when we create this word. Everything that's used to create this word is within this word. So we can have all experience things centralized in the experience hub this way. I don't know. Oh, I didn't add the experience into game. Okay, so I think it looks like saving navigation in its own scene was a bad idea. Okay, is there a way? I mean, what if I do that? No. Won't work. Make local. All right. Oh, I forgot something very important, it seems. That container should add child feedback. 5 debugs, that's a lot. Oh. Oh, why isn't that not centered? Okay, so since we have no more, yeah, you know what? We're gonna lock. This, and we're gonna craft that. So you say, what engraving symbol do we make on silver coins? Hammer sword. Okay, hammer sword star. I think that like an anvil, kind of like anvil and a hammer, anvil hammer. That's what I would think of. Experience is gonna be very slow if it's like this. Can be really difficult to recognize an anvil as a coin texture. Yeah, I mean, the letter B could be good, easier to see. Oh, that's 2 experience? Wow. 3, 5. Okay, that's better. Oh, stretching. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take a very short break. I'll be right back, and we'll see what happens next. All right, so I think you're actually good for today in a sense of that's probably gonna be all there is for this stream. Am I mining? Yes. We've done 2 hours, and I will be working on some different projects after that, probably, as well as eating something. The task is kind of good. It looks good. I mean, I had a lot of little tasks, but anyway, there are some interesting things to add from the for the future content. I definitely see update the experience bar to ignore already existing experience. Update experience bar with twins. I thought about something and it's gone. I don't know. That's actually gone. I mean, we will definitely find tasks until next time. Let's actually craft a few more, and yeah, then I will disappear. Nocturne level 1. I will then disappear and leave you with the tone music a little bit, and the stream will end. So yeah, thank you guys for actually passing by today. This week is gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be slightly different for the streams because I have the very strict minimum gear with me, right? I have the microphone and my laptop. That's pretty much it. So anyway, yeah, we can get a few levels with just the 3 recipes so far. But if we want better experience next, the forge rate has to go up very quickly, or we need to get other ways to get experience. And I think that experience should be saved as well. Just gonna check that. Oh. Yes. I think it's a very easy fix. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. So that's it. Yep, as I said, me disappear. Yeah, I think the main problem we will have with those streams are the latency. Latency is slightly annoying, but yeah, that's fine. So anyway, thanks for passing by, and I will see you guys later, maybe tomorrow, I don't know. Because right now, I'm pretty much kicking people out of the house to be streaming. I will see if I do that every evening or not. So yeah, I'll see you